information or some fun thing. Look at this. Yeah, it's a RC car. Don't you know this? Oopsies. You pooped. Sorry. Okay, it can also smoke. It's so interesting. It's so interesting. It can also smoke. Oh, what this stinks. Oh, pooped in here. Ah. Do you want to see the smoke? Here is the car. I hope you can see the car. Here's the car. 3, 2, 1. It's so interesting. I put water to do it. Whoa. Oh, I smashed the screen. No. It's so interesting. You can put smoke on and lights up in the sides of the smoke. Also, when I drive, in front of there's a light. It also glows. The light also glows in there. You know what I have? This also glows. The light also glows. Oh no, I smashed the screen again. Oh, that was full speed. It was so interesting that it can also smoke. It's the shape like a mirror car. It's a mirror car. I don't know whose mirror cars is USA. I see this mirror car like that in different countries. It's so interesting. Oops. Why do I press the smoke and the lights go little bit? Oh no, I think there's no more smoke. You know what? Let me finish the all smoke. So interesting. Also toy tanks. Toy tanks also have smokes. Let's shoot fireworks. Time to shoot fireworks. I hope you can see my firework. Here is my car. Time to do it. Yeah, it's so cool. It's very cool. I hope you don't get jump scared. You know what? I'm gonna put my car in back. Bruh, didn't say to go there. It has low battery because I didn't charge it. Yeah, it's a slow battery. I need to charge it up. Subscribe, please. This a YouTuber has give me this. Do you know the YouTuber? Of course, my friend. Of course, my friend gave me this in December 16, my birthday. Sometimes my friend's car get glitched. It kind of looks like poop come out. Oh, nice. Time to go. Bye-bye. 3, 2, 1, fireworks. You know what? Time for fireworks. Wow, so interesting. You know what? You're done. You're done. Let me turn off you. Time to turn off. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Sorry. You need to charge up. Yes, you need to charge up. Yeah. I don't care whatever you said. But I care that you have to charge. Oops. My camera. It's end of our video of smoking this car. Yes, with water. Subscribe.